Hi everybody, today we want to unbox Exhilaration by Gabor from their Essentials collection, and I have it in the color light brown. So here we have it. This is a gorgeous color. This is so pretty, so securely packaged with a net. Let's look at the cap construction. So we have a basic cap, open wefts, extended open nape with Velcro adjusters. We have open ear tabs, and so no lace front, no monofilament. Let's get a feel of the style. Nice movement. Let's pop it on. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. Haven't done anything to it. Literally just popped it on. So let's comb it through. So look, you have a zigzag parting. You want to get rid of that. And I like my part just slightly off to the right. And because you haven't got any monofilament, you still can kind of part it where you like because it doesn't really matter. So let's look at it now that I've changed the part and combed it through. So you have a bob style with these gorgeous barrel curls, and look at the movement here. I think this is an ideal piece that you can wear to anywhere where you want to look elegant, like a wedding or theater or opera or something like that. This is so pretty. So these are heat-friendly fibers, so you can change these gorgeous barrel curls into something else if you wanted to. So you can straighten it out if you wanted to, or just have a different curl pattern here. There is a little bit of permatease here at the top, but it's not as big, as poofy as I would expected it to be. It's definitely there. And then there's a little bit around the cap. So for everyone who likes volume here at the top, you can get that. Or you can smooth it down. And in terms of hair density, now there isn't as much hair here again, as much as I thought. So I would say, I think it's described as a light to medium density. I would say that's about true. I would say it's the lower end of medium. For me, the feeling mainly comes because of these barrel curls that you have, which are gorgeous, and they add that feel of volume to it. So if I want to tuck one side where you can see I have less hair, definitely possible. On the other side, it is still possible, but you can see the ear sticks out just a little bit more. But it is definitely possible. So tell me what you think of this very affordable style. Available at Wig Studio 1. Have a wonderful day. Bye.